Hello, my name is Lee Roach and I'm the CEO of Frog Mobility, a fast-growing Irish shared mobility business run by some of the most experienced and successful operators in this high-growth industry. In our first 12 months, even with COVID restrictions, we've generated over €100,000 in revenue, and at our current rate, we are expecting revenues of around €3 million in 2022. This is our story. The shared mobility industry is estimated to be worth €250 billion and has experienced explosive growth globally as cities look for new modes of transportation that use sustainable and environmentally friendly resources. Frog is well positioned to leverage off these industry growth rates. Having spent 12 months devising our strategy, building on our infrastructure, Frog launched in 2021 and is now live and generating revenues in 8 cities through Portugal and Poland, having secured licenses to operate in both of these countries. We are backed by EFO Ventures, whose founder is Irish-American entrepreneur Sean Flood. Sean previously founded Gotcha, a US-based micromobility company that him and his team grew to over 60 markets in the US and took public in 2020. He has moved to Ireland to replicate this success in the European market. Together, our leadership team has a combined 13 years experience in this nascent industry. At present, we have 2,000 assets with just over 1,000 devices on the road. By the end of 2022, we expect to have 4,000 devices in operation. These scooters are all custom designed and manufactured specifically to meet today's high demand rideshare use. We offer a more durable, stable and reliable ride to help locals and visitors alike commute, run errands, visit friends and explore cities in a fun, more efficient and environmentally friendly way. Frog's unique value proposition is providing hardware, software and operational expertise to all our municipality. By managing the supply chain in-house, we can deploy assets at a lower total cost of ownership in a timelier manner.
Hi, I'm Sean Flood. I invested in Frog through my fund, EFO Ventures. A year and a half ago, I relocated to Ireland after building, scaling, and selling my US-based shared mobility company, Gotcha. Prior to selling, Gotcha operated e-scooters and e-bikes in municipalities and universities across the US. With the explosive growth and high adoption of shared mobility throughout Europe, makes now the perfect time to invest in this space. I believe the combination of Frog Mobility's executive team's experience, their focus on in-market profitability around operations, their excellent hardware and software sets them up perfectly to be successful in this space. I'm here to lend my expertise and experience to help investors see a large return after investing in Frog.
Hi, I'm Wes Houlihan and I've invested into Frog Mobility. I invested in Frog because I believe in the team and their mission. I am thrilled with the success we have had throughout Europe and look forward to the day I can ride a Frog scooter in Ireland.
Hi, I'm Gerard Rowe and I'm Director of Operations at Frog. Sustainable, scalable and profitable operations are the key to our success. We build out local operation teams in each market. We use cutting-edge technology to provide safer rider experience, calculate where scooters and bikes will experience higher rider demand, and geofence hubs for organised parking. We also utilise 100% electric vehicles for rebalancing, which is better for our environment and lowers our costs for local operations.
Based on the licenses we've secured to date and our proven revenue generating capability in 8 cities during 2021, we are now forecasting revenues of €3 million for the full year of 2022 and growing to approximately €10 million for the full year of 2024. This will deliver continuous profitability from 2022 and beyond. We are now raising €350,000 on the Spark crowdfunding platform at a valuation of €7 million. All funds raised will go towards accelerating our growth rates in our carefully targeted markets. Based on our 3-year revenue and net income projections, we believe that this will support a valuation in excess of €20 million for this business. We are raising funds today at a valuation of €7 million. So, why should you consider an investment in Frog Mobility today? Our track record in Portugal and Poland demonstrates our ability to enter a new market and quickly generate revenues. Our team has a successful and proven track record in scaling a micromobility business in the US, all the way from concept, execution and eventually to trade sale at high returns for investors. Our target market is huge and we are experiencing rapid growth rates. Good visibility on revenues and net income based off the key metrics we have experienced to date. The company is debt-free. Frog is an EWIS qualifying company with investors able to reclaim 40% of their investments in the form of tax refund. This means an €1,000 investment only costs an investor a net amount of €600. The minimum investment is only €100 and investors pay no commission. On behalf of the entire Frog Mobility family, I want to thank you for your interest in our company. We've assembled a great team who cares about our mission. I hope you will invest and join us as we build the largest Irish-based shared mobility company, and together, leap forward.